Conversation. Using this and that. Situation. Emma and Jack are in Emma's house. They are looking at different objects in the room and talking about them. Welcome to my house, Jack.
Thank you, Emma. Oh, what is this on the table?
This is my favorite book. It's about animals.
Wow, it looks interesting. And what is that on the shelf?
That is my brother's toy robot. He loves playing with it.
Oh, I see. And what is this near the window?
This is my new plant. I water it every day.
That's nice. I love plants. And what is that near the door?
That is my school bag. I always put it there after school.
Oh, I like your bag. It looks very big.
Yes, it is. It can carry all my books.
And whose shoes are these near the door?
These are my dad's shoes. He just came home from work.
I see. And what is that in the corner?
That is my pet's bed. My cat sleeps there.
Oh, where is your cat now?
She is outside. But look, this is her favorite toy.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yes, she plays with this every day.
Your house is really nice, Emma.
Thank you, Jack. Grammar focus. Using this and that. This is used for things that are near us. This is my book. The book is close to the speaker. Is this your bag? That is used for things that are far from us. That is my brother's toy. The toy is far from the speaker. What is that near the door?